My God. We're in a tornado. We're literally in a fucking tornado, dude.
Look at the trees, G.
Oh, fuck, dude. It just crushed the crane truck. Oh, my fucking God. Dude.
That's what I laid down like.
Zach and I saw that motherfucker starting. Dude, this whole place is fucked. It might flip the truck. Oh, fuck.
Lay down, bro.
Holy fuck.
That's why I got out the machine.
Your machine's fucked.
See?
Shit coming inside very easy.
Holy shit. Dude, we were literally just fucking saying it's rotating.
Oh, hell no. I was like, fuck that.
Holy fuck, dude.